Creating a successful community association website is simpler than you might think. With a few key elements, your site is easy to use and full of valuable information. A user-friendly website keeps residents engaged and returning for more. Begin by selecting a clear template. Pre-formatted templates allow you to add your own images and text without needing a developer. Choose one with distinct sections for events, news, services, and contact forms, and an easy-to-read menu. Ensure menu items are straightforward, like news leading to news content. Contrast between text and background and text size should be high for readability. Once your site is easy to navigate, focus on content. Consistently update with current, relevant community news, maintenance updates, and event schedules. Consider surveying residents to determine what they find most valuable. Useful information not only informs, but also fosters a sense of community among residents. Incorporate pictures to enhance your site's visual appeal. Images help prospective residents visualize the community and can instill pride among current residents. Seek permission to use residents' photos to create a more engaging, personalized experience. Pictures also break up text, making your website more enjoyable to browse. Documents are crucial for HOA websites. While financial documents may not be suitable, include essential forms like the Architectural Review Committee, or ARC, form and pet regulations. These documents should be easily accessible to residents while maintaining privacy where necessary. A well-designed community website should be simple, organized, and informative. If you're seeking easy ways to build your website, consider Neigbrs by Vinteum. Schedule your free demo today to explore its features.